up? It's your boy Cringy Videos coming back to you with another video. Now, sorry about my trashy outfit. I'm in my school's uniform. It's garbage, I know. We're gonna be going to Target. This is a tutorial on how to go to Target. I might act a little bit weird because I absolutely hate filming in public. Alright, so my camera person's in the car, so it should be very fast. We should be going mega speed. Goodies, let's get. Oh no, we're gonna need that loot. Alright guys, we're all stocked up on llamas. Get them fresh ear paws. Beets, I like Skull Candy much better. So I want some Skull Candy crushers. Gotta get these just to know the fact that they're tired and not really coming. Why? I can't believe the electronics actually have prices. Like, who does that? This is just one whole big scam. Are you serious? Prices on something. Things should be free. Oh, so annoying. Alright, let's get some camera. Alright guys, we need a new camera. Seems like a good buy. Never mind. Let's find another option for cameras. This will do perfect. Or even cheaper. This will do even perfect. I got our camera, probably our Sonar disposable piece of crap, $11 camera. Now I need some new games. Can't believe things here actually cost prices. Like, who does that? It's just so annoying. Like, they actually make money. Like, everything here should be free. It's just so annoying. Everybody, you have to get the rainbow. Oh, I want this so bad. Yep, just, doing my thing. Just getting my opinion. I was just following. Oh God, get out of that. Oh my God, they're selling burritos. Animal cruelty, or printed innocent animal in a burrito and then packaging it up. It's just terrible. Oh my God, I need a car. You know what? No, I don't even like that one. I should get this one. Has a plane. So guys, if you probably don't know, I want to get into pro scootering. I know I'll probably suck at it, but I still want to do it. So I'm going to buy this one or the Mongoose one. I don't even like the Mongoose brand that much. Oh, she can't. Look, it's the Jeffy's cat piano. It won't even work. Oh my God, this is better than Forza Horizon 4 with a steering wheel. Go forward. Oh my God, I want this so bad. Alright guys, we're gonna check out the thick Barbies. As you can see, that's one thick. There's some thick Barbies up there. I don't know why people got so upset at Barbie for not making thick Barbies before. trashy school outfit. I feel so self-conscious with this outfit in public. Like, people are like, is that kid seriously dressed like that? Jasmine, you guys will see face reveal of my cameraman. Oh, women undetermined gender. Here they are. Hey guys, we're leaving Target Torodoro.